Hi everyone, this is Eddie with Grand Sis Designs. I'm going to do a quick video on how I do a halftone. So right now I've got this image of Freddy Krueger. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a copy. And I'm going to make sure that the art is 300 ppi. Click OK. You see I want to create a new layer, and that's going to be the one we're going to work with. We're going to create a backfill. It's going to be black. We're going to move that down. Okay, I'm just adjusting it. All right, I'm going to merge them. I'm just hit shift and got both of them. I'm going to create a duplicate. And I'm going to duplicate it again. I'm going to choose new. It's going to open up a second tab. So from here, I'm going to go to grayscale. And at this point, we're going to adjust the white and the black. So to the far right is the white adjustment level. I'm just going to bring that in. And I just like to play with it. So the setting I made, it came out really good. And you're going to see in the next video on the outcome. You see there, I am bringing in the black. I'm going to click OK. Okay, next thing I do, I'm going to go back up to the top. Currently we're in grayscale. I'm going to go choose bitmap, 300 dpi, halftone. I'm entering in the halftone parameters, and you can play with this. This is just a number that I felt that worked out for me for DTF. Okay, we've got that selected. We're choosing round, and then we're going to click OK. Okay, so I'm zooming in, and that's just to show you what the halftone round circles look like. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this image, and then we're going to bring it over to the original print. You'll see I've got it selected. Okay, you see I'm clicking on the bottom. And what I did is I copied and pasted from the other page. So see, that's the difference. Original, halftone. And there it is. And in the following video, I'm going to be printing and pressing. So stay tuned. This is Eddie with Grand Sis Designs.